Hello everyone and welcome to this complete course on the C# programming language. Throughout this course we will explore all the fundamental concepts of C# and you will learn how to build a real console application step by step. Before we start writing any code, I want to take a moment to talk about what C# is, what you can write with it, and why this language is considered one of the most powerful tools in the modern programming. C# was created by Microsoft and first released back in the year 2000. Since then, it has gone through many improvements and updates, and today it's one of the most popular in-demand language in the world. C# is an object-oriented programming language, which means each file you create represents a class. Don't worry, we will talk about classes, object, and everything related to OOP in the future lessons. The syntax of C# is very similar to C and Java, and that it's not coincidence. C# is younger than C++, Java, and many other older languages, so it's inherited the best ideas from its predecessors C++, Delphi, Smalltalk, and especially Java. C# is extremely versatile. With it you can build almost anything. Command line tools, Windows desktop applications, website and web APIs, neural networks and backend services, game using the Unity engine, mobile apps, cloud application, automation tools. If you need a universal, modern and powerful language, C# is the ideal choice. After the release of the Unity game engine, C# became even more popular. Unity uses C# as its main scripting language, which means you can easily create games of any genre and any complexity. In short, whatever you want to build, there is almost always a C# tools or framework for it. Many people compare C# and Java for a good reason. They appeared only 5 years apart, their syntax looks similar, they solve similar problems, they are used to in similar fields. Microsoft originally created C# as a direct competitor to Java, and both languages evolved in parallel. Which one is better? There is no universal answers. Both are strong, both are powerful, both are used in worldwide. If you are building Windows application, C# is more convenient. If you are building Android apps, Java is more common. For games, C# and Unity dominates. For website, both have great frameworks. The truth is simple. Any language you choose is better than choosing nothing. You might have already heard about .NET platforms. Think of .NET as a large folder full of tools and libraries you can use with C#. If you want to build a Windows application, use WPF. If you want to build a website, use ASP.NET. If you are making games, you use Unity. C# is the language, .NET is the ecosystem that gives the language its superpowers. As you progress through this course, you will learn the core C# syntax first. After that, you will be able to choose the direction that interests you: web development, ASP.NET, desktop apps, WPF or WinForm, game development, Unity, and mobile apps. What you will learn in this course: during this course, we will cover variables and data types, conditions and loops, arrays and collections, classes and object-oriented programming, getters, setters and extrapolation, working with files, writing and running complexity programs. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of C# and everything you need to start learning advanced frameworks. Now, before we finish the lesson, I want to show you how to install the development environment where we will write and run all of our C# code. In reality, you can use any editor, like there are many great options, but for this course we will install Visual Studio because it's one of the most powerful and convenient tools for working with C#. To install it, go to the official Studio website. The link will be in the description. Click the download button. After downloading the launch installer and wait little while it installs all necessary components. Once the installer opens, you will see a screen where you can select which module to install. For this course, we will only need components related to .NET development, so select the workloads connected with C# and .NET and then press install or modify. After the installation finishes, open Visual Studio, click Create New Project and choose Console Application as your template. Enter the project name, select where you want to save it and click Create. Your project is now ready and you will already see one file created for you. We will discuss what this code means in the next lesson. For now, you can test everything by simple clicking the Run button, and terminal windows will open. You will see the output of program. And with that, our first lessons come to an end. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson. Take care and goodbye.